Aussie braised beef ragu pappardelle is our signature dish at Plaza Premium Lounge Sydney. Originally from Nepal, I grew up in a family with food meant connection. Italian cuisine has always inspired me. I remember the first time I tried a proper ragu. No frills, just love in every bite. That experience stayed with me. I always say good cooking starts with good ingredients, and we are truly lucky in Australia. Our produce is some of the best in the world. I always looking for what speaks to the season, vibrant, fragrant, full of flavor. Premium Australian beef makes my dish. Now I have been a chef for over 15 years. Cooking in an airport lounge has its own challenges. We work with strict safety rules, no open flames, and sometimes unpredictable ingredient availability. But it also pushes us to be creative. We adapt, we problem solve, and always focus on quality. We begin by searing beef until golden, then slowly braise it with onion, garlic, tomato, herbs, and a splash of red wine. It simmers for hours until tender and rich. Finally, we fold it through al dente pappardelle pasta and finish with the parmesan and fresh herbs. Every step matters. From the produce to the plate, our goal is to serve something with care. One bite of this ragu and I hope they taste the craft and a little bit of Australia too. I'm Chef Sanju. Please come to Plaza Premium Lounge Sydney to try my signature dish, braised beef ragu pappardelle.